Yes, you can connect a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station to a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. While ThinkPad docks are designed for Windows-based ThinkPads, their USB-C and Thunderbolt compatibility allows them to work with Macs. This lets you expand your MacBook's connectivity with extra USB ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and power delivery. Keep in mind that this setup isn't officially supported by Lenovo or Apple, so some software features may be limited, but it's generally feasible for basic functions. First, ensure your MacBook has USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, which all modern MacBooks do. Compatible docks include the Lenovo ThinkPad USB-C dock Gen 2, Universal Thunderbolt dock, or hybrid USB-C with Ethernet dock. Use the included USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the dock to your MacBook. Plug the dock's power adapter into an outlet to provide power. Your Mac should automatically detect the peripherals connected to the dock. Open System Settings, then Displays to arrange your external monitors. For Ethernet or USB devices, plug them into the dock and ensure macOS recognizes them in System Settings. If you encounter issues, reset the SMC on Intel Macs or update macOS to the latest version. Note that proprietary Lenovo features like one-cable docking won't work on Macs, and audio over USB-C may require a separate DAC.